So how do we create user interfaces in Jetpack Compose Android? So we start by telling the compiler that this is a composable function by annotating it with the word composable. After the annotation, we then write the function. In this case, we are going to write a function that's going to display a greeting. The function is going to take in a name of the person who want to display the greeting. The name is going to be of type string. And then after that, we are going to display a text. In the text, that's where we are going to display the greeting. We are going to say hello. And then we then pass in the name of the person we want to greet. And then let's add some styling to our text by using the style. And then let's give it a font size. Let's give it a font size of, let's say, 30. We should specify which is SP for text, right? So how do we then use this Jetpack compose function to display it on our UI? So the first thing that we need to go into our set content. Inside our set content, we just call in our composable function greeting. We then pass in the name of the person we want to greet. In this case, I'm going to greet myself. So let's just wait. Okay, I made a mistake. Let's just cut this. It's supposed to be outside the onStart function, right? And then let's call it inside the set content. And then let's provide the name. In this case, I'm just going to greet myself. So after this, let's reload our emulator and let's see. As you can see, we have our greeting on our emulator. So how do we then stack one composable function on top of the other, or how do we place one composable function next to each other? So in the next video, I'm going to explain about the row and column composable function.